Hi everyone, and welcome back to Waterfront Academy, where we bring Montessori principles into everyday life. Today, we're going to show you how to create a simple and purposeful practical life tray using a dust broom and pan. Perfect for helping young children build independence, coordination, and care for their environment. Practical life activities are the heart of the Montessori classroom, and they're easy to bring home. This activity teaches your child how to sweep and clean up after themselves, which fosters responsibility and pride in their environment. To make your own dust broom and pan tray, you'll need the following: a child-sized dustpan, a child-sized broom or hand brush, a small tray or shallow basket, a bowl with small paper scraps or rice for sweeping, a small towel or cloth for wiping spills. Place all the items neatly on a tray. The broom and dustpan should be within easy reach. Add the bowl of sweeping practice materials so your child has something to sweep up. Make sure everything fits comfortably and looks inviting. Now here's how to present this activity to your child. Use slow, deliberate movements. Sweep all the scraps into a small pile. Gently sweep the pile into the dustpan. Carefully empty the dustpan into a waste bin. After your demonstration, invite your child to try. Step back and observe without interrupting. The goal is independence, even if it's not perfect. Once they've finished, show them how to reset the tray, ready for the next time. Montessori Practical Life trays like this one build motor skills, focus, sequencing, and a sense of responsibility, all while giving children real ways to contribute at home. We hope this inspired you to create your own dust broom and pan tray at home. Simple tools can spark big growth in your child's development. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Montessori tips and activities, right here on Waterfront Academy's channel.